Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. My dear student, a very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. And in today's class, we will do a new topic, subtraction. What will we do today? Yes, subtraction. Very good. Okay, first of all, bring out your notebooks and write date and day on that. Okay, hurry up. The date is 13/5/2021 and day is Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. Today we will do subtraction. So the topic is subtraction. Write in your notebooks, top of your page, subtraction. And the sign of subtraction is like this. SUBTRACTION, subtraction. Done? Okay, write it quickly. We have these two numbers 43 and 21. We have to do the subtraction now. Subtraction के टाइम हमें क्या माइंड में रखना है कि हम बिगर नंबर को ऊपर राइट करते हैं एंड स्मॉलर नंबर एट द बिलो. So which is the bigger number? 43. So 43 we will write first and 21 below that. And here we will make the sign of subtraction. Okay, understand? And now we have to find the difference between these two numbers. In two numbers में कितना difference है वो हम यहाँ find out करेंगे 3 में से 1 को minus करके. Okay. Now again we will not make the strokes here. जैसे कि हम फर्स्ट क्लास में स्ट्रोक्स ड्रॉ करते थे, एडिशन में हमने नहीं किया, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी हम स्ट्रोक्स नहीं लगाएंगे. वी हैव नंबर 3 हियर, so we have 3 on fingers again, and we have to minus 1 from 3. So 3 में से 1 को कट किया, we have 2 now. So the answer is 2. 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. So we have answer 2. Okay, this is called subtraction. You don't have to need to write it in your notebooks. We will start subtraction now. First of all, write tens, ones on top of every sum. Tens, ones, tens, ones. 63, 22. 44, 12. 48 and 23. Tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones. 46, 31. 54, 20. 88, 49, 40. So these sums we have to do now. Write it in your notebooks in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay. So the first sum is 63 minus 22. Now we have to minus 2 from 3. Okay, we have 3 and we have to cut 2. And now the answer is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 6 में से कितने कट करने हैं? 2, 1, 2. We will close the fingers. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have answer 4. So 41 is the answer. 63 minus 22 is equal to 41. Okay. The next is 44 and 12. 44 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 में से 2 को कट कट करेंगे, 4 में से 2 फिंगर्स को हम क्लोज कर देंगे. Then we have the answer 2. 4 minus 1. Again 4 and cut close one finger. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So the answer is 32. 48 minus 23. 8 and 3. Okay. So open 8 fingers and close 3. How many we have to close? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers I have closed and now I have left 5. So we will write number 5 here. 4, 2. Okay, again 4 fingers and we'll close the 2 fingers. 1, 2. Answer is 25. Okay, do the next now. 6 minus 1. 6 and we have to close only 1. 1 I have closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. 4 and 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. I have closed 3 fingers. Now I have left only 1. So the answer is 15 now. 54 minus 20. Okay, 4 minus 0. 0 is nothing. Again, the answer will be same. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How many fingers I have to close? Yes, 2. Good. 1, 2. 2 I have closed. Now I have left 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So we will write number 3 here. 54 minus 20. Answer is 34. 88 minus 40. Now 8 and 0 again. 0, we will make a cross here and answer is 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. We have to close 4 fingers now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left 4. 8 minus 4. 4. 88 minus 40. The answer is 48. Very good. I hope you all have done these all sums in your notebooks. Yes. Now we will do the same sums in your books again. Okay. So bring out your books. Open page number 30. Here are the same sums on exercise 3A. And you have to write the date and date here again. The date is 13/5/2021 and day is Thursday. So write the date and day on page number 30. Yes, do it quickly. Done. All you have opened the books. Page number 30. Ma'am will do the same sums on board and you have to do here in the book. Okay. So the first sum is 43 and 21. Next is 84 and 97. 12 and 33. 91 and 40. Let's do this sum now. Okay, the first sum is 43 and 21. We have to write the bigger number on the top and the smaller number below that first number. First of all, we will write tens ones, tens ones, tens ones, again tens ones. Okay, which is bigger from these two numbers 43 and 21? 43 is bigger, so we will write 43 here and 21 below that. Now we will do the subtraction. Always make a sign of subtraction here, okay? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, sorry. 3 minus 1. So we have to close one finger from these 3. So I have closed 1. Now I have left only 1, 2. Only 2. So the answer, we will write number 2 here. 4 minus 2. 4 में से कितने कट करने हैं? 2. So open fingers 4 and close 2 from them. 1, 2. 4 में से 2 को close कर देना है. How many are left here? 2. So 43 minus 21, the answer is 22. Very good. The next is 84 and 97. Which is bigger number from 84 and 97? Yes, 97 is bigger. So we will write 97 first and 84 here and make the sign of subtraction. 7 minus 4. Now open 7 fingers. Yes, open. Now we have to close 4 fingers from these 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many I have closed? 4. And how many I have left on my fingers? 1, 2, 3. How many I have left here on my hand? 1, 2, 3. 3. So we will write number 3 here. 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 minus 8. Now open 9 fingers and close 8 from them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have closed 8 fingers and I have left only 1 now. So write 1 here. 97 minus 84, the answer is 13. Okay, done. Good. 12 and 33. Which is bigger? Yes, 12. No, 12 is smaller than 33. So we will write 33 first and 12 here. Make a sign of subtraction. 3 minus 2. Open 3 fingers and close 2 from these 3 and we have left only 1 now. 3 minus 1. Again open 3 fingers and close only 1. Now we have left 2 fingers. So we will write number 2 here. 33 minus 12, 21. The next is 91 and 40. 91 is bigger number. So we will write 91 first and 40 below that. Now we have 1 and 0. So the value of 0 is nothing and answer is 1. 9 minus 4. Open 9 fingers and close 4 from these 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have closed 4 fingers. Now I have left 5 on my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write number 5 here. 91 minus 40. The answer is 51. Done. I hope you all are doing this. Yes, you all have done. Very good. My dear students, I hope you all have understand the topic of subtraction now. Yes. Now we will meet in our next class. Bye-bye. Take care.